Hello everyone, I am Dr. Trishanu Bhanik. I welcome you all to the daily weather briefing program of IMD. First we will talk about the today's weather highlight. So as you know that there is a deep depression over the Southwest Bay of Bengal and which is likely to intensify further gradually into a cyclonic storm over the Southwest Bay of Bengal around 3rd December, and we are expecting it will going to cross the South Andhra Pradesh coast between Nellore and Machilipatnam during forenoon of 5th December as a cyclonic storm. Now we will talk about the realized weather or the observed weather of yesterday. You can see over the Kerala and Tamilnadu over different stations like Palladi and Pirapannakod and Konni, all these three stations receive 7 cm of rainfall, and you can see some other station over the Tamil Nadu receives 8 to 7 cm of rainfall, and you can see the same things over the graphical representation over that map also. Now if we move further, we will talk about the synoptic system here. You can see there are 4 different synoptic systems presently exist. First one is the deep depression, which is presently lying over the Southwest Bay of Bengal, and it is very likely to intensify further into a cyclonic storm within the next 24 hours, and it will further move towards the west-northwest direction. Another another WD, western disturbance, as a cyclonic circulation lies over the South Haryana and its neighboring region, and it is extends from 3.1 km up to the 4.5 km above mean sea level. And also another trough is there in the mid tropospheric level at its axis at 5.8 km, and it is lying over the 77 degree east and 30 degree north. And also another cyclonic circulation over the northeastern Arabian Sea, which is extended up to the 1.5 km. You can see here, and a trough from this cyclonic circulation extend up to the northeast sector of the MP. So these are the different synoptic systems. Now if we move further, you can see here we are elaborating the condition or the situation of the deep depression. The deep depression over the Southwest Bay of Bengal moved west-northwest ward with a west-northwestward with a speed of 18 km per hour during the past 6 hours, and it is lay centered, as per the latest observation, it is lay centered that is for today to 2nd December over the same region, that is Southwest Bay of Bengal, over that region, and it is about 440 km east southeast of Puducherry, 450 km east southeast of Chennai, 580 km south southeast of Nellore, and 670 km south southeast of Bapatla, and 670 km south southeast of Machilipatnam. And also it is likely to move west northwest direction and intensify into a cyclonic storm over the same region during the next 24 hours. And also thereafter it would move north westward and reach west central Bay of Bengal off South Andhra Pradesh and adjoining North Tamil Nadu coast by 4th of December. Thereafter it would move nearly northward, almost parallel and close to South Andhra Pradesh coast, and cross South Andhra Pradesh coast between Nellore and Machilipatnam during the forenoon of 5th December as a cyclonic storm with a maximum sustained wind speed of 80 to 90 kmph and gusting to 100 kmph. You can see the track how the depression or the deep depression moved up to that point, and what is the expected track for the next few days. You can see here clearly. And these are the graphical representation of the heavy rainfall warning from 2nd December, that is from today up to the next 5 days up to 6th of December. So first you can see for today there is a heavy rainfall warning has been given for the Kerala, Mahe, Tamil Nadu and Rayalaseema. For 3rd of December, orange warning has been given as a heavy to very heavy rainfall over the Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh. And for 4th of December, you can see orange and red warning, and also the yellow warning has been given. Orange warning has been given as a heavy to very heavy rainfall for Tamil Nadu and Rayalaseema, and red warning has been given for the coastal Andhra Pradesh for extremely heavy rainfall, and also yellow warning has been given for heavy rainfall for Odisha. And if you look at here for the 5th of December, you can see red warning, still given for the coastal Andhra Pradesh for the extremely heavy rainfall, and orange warning has been given for the Odisha. And if you look at the 6th of December, only yellow warning has been given for heavy rainfall for Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh. So if you look at the fisherman warning graphics, you can see the various wind speed has been represented by the various color. You can see that yellow color is basically representing the gale wind speed for 60 to 90 kmph and gusting to 110 kmph. You can see for today the yellow warning has been given for the Southwest Bay of Bengal, and also the different other wind speed has been given here. You can see here clearly. And for the day 2 for the 3rd of December, you can see over the north of Tamil Nadu and the coastal Andhra Pradesh, yellow warning has been given. That is for the gale wind speed up to the 60 to 90 kmph gusting to 110. And if you look at the 5th of 4th of December, you can see over the coastal Andhra Pradesh and also a few part of the north of Tamil Nadu, yellow warning of squally wind has been given. And also for 4th, this as the cyclone is moving toward the west-northwest direction and then further around the coast of the Andhra Pradesh, you can see warning has been given, yellow warning has been given for the northern part of the coastal Andhra Pradesh. And for the day 5, warning for the fishermen, that means for the squally wind speed, warning has been reduced. And if you see here, we have given here for 2nd of December, over the Southeast Bay of Bengal, we advise fishermen not to go there for the 2nd of December over the Southeast Bay of Bengal. And if you look at further, you can see for the Southwest Bay of Bengal and along and off North Tamil Nadu, Puducherry coast during 2nd to 4th December. So for 2nd December, fishermen should not go over the Southeast Bay of Bengal, and for 2nd to 4th December over the Southeast Bay of Bengal and along and off North Tamil Nadu coast, fishermen or Puducherry coast, fishermen should not go. And also for 5th December, 2nd December morning up to the 5th December, warning has been given for the fishermen for West Central Bay of Bengal and along and off Andhra Pradesh coast. So fishermen should not be going over that region within that period. Similarly for 4th December evening to 5th December evening, you can see along and off South Odisha coast. So this region will be more vulnerable. So fishermen should not venture over that region. And for the fishermen out at the sea are advised to return to the coast during next 12 hours. So further, if you look at here, we have given some of the damage expected due to the ongoing deep depression and also further the cyclonic storm. So you can see there is a possibilities of damage of thrashed heart and also possibilities of damage of vulnerable structures, breaking of tree branches and uprooting of small and medium sized trees. Minor damage can be expected to power and communication lines due to the breaking of branches and uprooting of trees, and also major damage can also be expected to kacha and minor damages to the pakka roads due to the heavy rainfall activity. Similarly, you can see some other damage information has been given, like the localized flooding of road and closure of the underpass mainly is urban area of the above region. You can see this can be happened due to this ongoing deep depression of the cyclone. So that's all from my end. Thank you very much.